DGB truly has a market cap of 135,681,079 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of 3,283,749 or, so they fundamentally thought. This truly positions Digibyte DGB truly at 164 in the cryptographic money advertise in a truly enormous way. Digibyte DGB Value Expectation 2023. According to the Digibyte price forecast and specialized analysis, the DGB price is expected to cross a sort of normal value threshold of $0.010. The typical kind of least value worth of Digibyte toward the finish of the current year ought to ordinarily be 0.010 in an unpretentious way, and DGB can achieve a truly highest value level of 0.011. This sort of DGB value hypothesis. July 27-23 versus July 27-20 E3 Digibyte is expected to arrive at an all-around least value worth of 0.008 in a sort of significant way. The DGB cost could sort of arrive at and in every practical sense greatest cost of 0.009 with the genuinely normal cost around 0.009 DGB value gauge. In August 2023, the cost of Digibyte is expected to be around a truly least worth of 0.008 in an unobtrusive manner. The Digibyte value worth can actually arrive to a truly limit of 0.009 with the typical exchanging worth of 0.009 in U.S. dollars. DGB value hypothesis. In September 2023, the cost of Digibyte is expected to be around and especially 0.009. Amazingly, the Digibyte value worth can explicitly arrive at a truly limit of 0.010 with the generally normal exchanging worth of 0.009 and United States dollars, which is genuinely critical. Gigabyte DGB value forecast. October 2023 to October 2023 Digibyte cost is expected to sort of arrive at an outright lease cost of 0.009 and a genuinely enormous way. The DGB cost could generally arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of 0.010 with the very normal expected cost around 0.009, demonstrating how the DGB cost could explicitly arrive at and in every practical sense greatest cost of 0.009 with the fundamentally normal cost around 0.009, which elucidates how the DGB cost could explicitly. Decabyte DGB value forecast. November 2023 concerning November 2023 Digibyte cost specifically is projected to reach a minimum of 0.009, indicating that the Digibyte value worth can reach a maximum of 0.010, with an average exchanging value of 0.009 in United States dollars. The DGB cost could generally reach a sort of highest cost of 0.010 with the truly normal expected cost around 0. Digibyte value estimate. December 2023. In December 2023, the highest price for Digibyte could commonly reach 0.011, which is extremely significant. Additionally, the lowest price for DGB in December 2023 is 0.010. With a completely normal cost of 0.010 in a straightforward manner. Digibyte unquestionably passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Digibyte's cost unquestionably has demonstrated if for the most part great augmentation of 4.96 and the kind of most recent 24 hours demonstrating how might DGB cost genuinely beat its unspoiled equivalent. In contrast to prevalent conviction, the DGB was in a great vertical pattern and extended by 12.6% in the most recent 7 days, which is extremely significant. In the most recent month, the price of DGB dropped by 20.816, a drop of an astounding 0.002% from its exceptionally present value, which is completely contrary to the general consensus. This unexpected drop in every practical sense indicates that the coin is in plunge, indicating that it is a generally great most likely purchase and a potential opportunity for extremely quick gains. Ventures showing that Digibyte DGB value expectation. October 2023 concerning October 2023 Digibyte cost really is gauged to explicitly arrive at a lease cost of 0.009 and a kind of huge way. Then 90 days cost change basic is near 22.80 and after 90 days DGB value estimate July 27-23 in relation to July 27. 23 Digibyte is really designed to arrive at a genuinely least value worth of 0.008, or so they generally considered in every practical sense. In the most recent 4 months, Digibyte has generally demonstrated a developing pattern demonstrating that inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of DGB sort of decreased by 20.816, dispensing with an incredible sort of typical amount of 0.002 from its essentially current worth in an unobtrusive manner. So we basically believe that comparable pieces of the market by and large were very popular at that period. In an especially huge manner. As per the data on Friday, Bitcoin was trading close to its all-time high after cryptocurrency investors gained confidence following a judicial victory in which the cryptocurrency XRP was determined not to be a security. A U.S. judge ruled on Thursday that trading its XRP coin on open markets did not constitute a violation of securities law by Ripple Labs Incorporated in a case initiated by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The case is the first victory for a Bitcoin business. Although the ruling was particular to the case at hand, it gave rise to a rush of hope among cryptocurrency investors that further cryptocurrencies might not also be classified as securities prior to easing to trade at 31,235 at 1349 GMT on Friday. Bitcoin reached its highest price since June 2022 when it reached $31,818. Ether had its best trading day since March on Thursday, and XRP, which a U.S. magistrate ruled could be traded legally on open cryptocurrency exchanges, had its best trading day since March. Soared 73 on Thursday and held most of these gains on Friday before retreating to 31.235 at 1349 Greenwich Mean Time on Friday. Bitcoin achieved its most expensive level since June 2022. Bitcoin price prediction. As the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision gets closer, has Bitcoin already hit bottom? The next meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, is planned for Wednesday. And market participants are eagerly waiting to see what happens and how it might affect Bitcoin and other financial assets. As the FOMC meets to decide on the federal interest rate, the cryptocurrency market is tense. Investors are asking if Bitcoin has already hit its bottom or if there will be more volatility in the future. At the time this was written, one Bitcoin was worth $29,260, and its 24-hour trade volume was a whopping $11.8 billion. The choices made by the FOMC could have a big effect on where Bitcoin's price goes and how people feel about the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Let's take a look at the technical side of the market and see what we can figure out about the Bitcoin price. How much will Bitcoin cost? Bitcoin, the